Shouldn't we be reaching Arlesburg soon, Dougie? Lost sakes, Donny, the town is buried. Is that Ryan? Dinna fast yourself, Ryan. We'll soon have you out.
We can't clear all this snow on our own. I'll go and get help. Are you ready to go, Thomas? Of course. Okay, I'll go and get the mail vans now. I'm so excited. Thomas, where is everyone? They're out finishing their jobs. Is something wrong? There's been an avalanche in Arlesburg. The town is covered in snow, and I need your help. Don't worry, I'm coming. Oh, hello, James. Where's Thomas? He just left with Ryan. Oh. Hey, weren't you meant to be pulling that mail train with Thomas? I was, but now he's gone away with Ryan instead. Oh. Well, I wouldn't be too worried about him, Percy. You'll do a much better job on your own anyway. He'd only get in the way. Maybe I should just head back. Edward did say there'd be a storm. Don't do that. You need to show that you can do this, with or without Thomas. Maybe. Thanks, Diesel. Bust my buffers. The town is completely snowed under. Oh no! Everyone, push harder!